Hello, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS group. In the last video we set up the tech console. Another thing we can do with the LanSchool tech console is to run a separate utility against it. So again, this is going to be in our very familiar software folder. If you make a local copy of this, it can tend to be quite useful. So we'll go to the zip, and we'll go to Windows, and we'll go to Utilities. The one we're looking for here is called Security Monitor. We're just going to make a local copy of that. Put that in Downloads. Very small file, only 2 meg. And just give that a run. So it's going to be blocked by the firewall originally. It's a packet sweeper. So we're just going to allow that. And then what the security monitor will do is it will just keep you appraised of any network changes that happen with regards to LanSchool. So we're talking about students coming in and out, staff coming in and out, new consoles joining the network. So it's a little bit like an active log file like Wireshark. If we hit options, then you can see the sorts of things we can record against. And this will naturally populate, so you can choose which actions you want to keep track of. This is great for troubleshooting. It's also great if you suspect that somebody may be on your network this shouldn't be. Something that does happen is we do get students who try and download a copy of the software to run it, especially if they're working in a school where it's like more of a one-to-one environment and they have their own rights. So we can see here it's found the tech console. If you are running like a BYOD environment or some kind of environment where the students may be able to install software, one thing to bear in mind is they can download the public version of the LanSchool trial. Now there's no crossover between the public version and the full software, so there's no way they could possibly circumvent using the trial. However, if you'd like to keep track of the people who are doing it, you can use the security monitor. This will also allow you to set up email alerts, so if you want to have an email alert every time a new teacher console joins your network, if it's not one that you've pre-approved, if it's not one that you've registered, then it will give you the machine name and the login name of the person who's done it, and you can tie that back to a student. So that is the security monitor. I do recommend leaving that running, either on your own machine or possibly a VM, especially whenever you're making any changes to the LanSchool fleet. It's just a great way of keeping control of the traffic. So here we can see we found one. Just pop this off to one corner for now and see what it picks up as we go. That's it for this video. If you did find it useful, please do give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out on the channel. Otherwise, leave a comment below. We'll try and get back to you, or we'll see you on the next video for the LanSchool Safeguarding console. Thank you.